For decades, truckers were celebrated for their skill in shifting gears manually. It was a badge of honor, a test of skill, patience, and precision. There's just something about that feeling of control, and for those who love manuals, there's still a strong case to be made. Manual transmissions provide a hands-on connection to the truck, offering more control in challenging conditions like steep grades or icy roads. But while manuals have their advantages, manufacturers are moving away from them. Today, most trucks come equipped with automatic transmissions, with manuals often only available through special orders. If you're aiming for the heavy haul division though, learning how to drive a manual is still essential. The extra control is critical when dealing with oversized loads, and many companies prefer manual transmissions for these heavy jobs. For the best heavy haul trucking companies, check out our list in the description. If you're a new driver, you should be aware of automatic-only licenses. Many schools train exclusively on automatic trucks, which can be a fast track to your CDL. But testing on an automatic can result in a restriction that prevents you from driving manual trucks without further training and retesting. While it might not seem important now, this restriction could limit your opportunities, especially in specialized roles. For many fleets, the advantages of automatic transmissions outweigh these restrictions. According to a study by Fleet Advantage, trucks equipped with AMTs saw a 5 to 10% increase in fuel efficiency compared to their manual counterparts. Additionally, the American Transportation Research Institute has reported that fleets using automatic transmissions experience fewer transmission-related breakdowns, reducing overall maintenance costs by up to 15%. This makes automatic trucks not only more efficient, but also more cost-effective for their fleets in the long run. Whether you're a veteran who loves the feel of a manual or a new driver entering the industry, understanding both sides of this shift is key. But what are your thoughts?